When you master the needle threader on the Singer Confident Sewing Machine, you'll be singing hallelujah every time you use it. So to start off, one little trick is to make sure that your needle is in the highest position. So if you need to, if you turn your hand wheel on a regular basis, make sure that you actually take a stitch or two and bring that needle to its natural highest position. Next, if you actually lower the presser foot, when you pull on the thread, it's much tighter, and that can actually give you a little resistance and help you use the needle threader. When you slide the needle threader down, I'm going to do it once without thread, and rotate it through, there's a little tiny hook that's coming from the back of the needle towards you, and that's where we're going to give it the thread. So here's how it looks when I do it. First off, I'm going to come underneath that little lever, and as I push down, I can rotate that head all the way around the needle itself, and then bring the thread up to those two little arms. Notice I'm kind of lifting up. I'm not pushing to the back, just lifting up. And now I'm going to hold on to this thread here, not very tight though, just enough so that when I rotate that needle threader, it will pull a small little loop through the needle. Now if you hold on too tight, it can't pull it through. So then you just take this loop, pull it all the way through, and you're ready to stitch. Let me do that again. So as you flip it underneath, rotate that needle threader all the way around first, then give the thread to the needle threader and gently let it pull it through, and done. So needle threaders are great, but they are very small, so they are delicate. Be very gentle with it. If your needle is also not, if you've changed needles and you didn't get it high enough all the way up here, loosen the screw, push a little higher. So if it doesn't line up with the needle eye, this needle might not be correctly inserted. So test that little feature as well. So needle threaders are awesome. Just be very gentle and they will do their work for you.